Hi viewers, welcome you all from Veggie Recipes Blogspot. Today we are going to show you how to prepare broken wheat upma. Ingredients for broken wheat upma: 1.5 cups of broken wheat, around 50 grams of beans, 1 carrot, small piece of ginger, 2 green chilli, half a lemon, little curry leaves, 2 onion, 1 teaspoon of mustard, 1 teaspoon of cumin seed, 1.5 teaspoon of Chana Dal. Salt to taste and required oil or ghee or butter. You can use as per your wish. So we are going to wash the broken wheat. So it should be thoroughly washed and drained. Peel the skin of the carrot. We have to cut the carrot into small pieces. So more or less we're going to cut all the things in the same size. We have to cut the tips of the beans always. We're cutting the beans more or less same size. See, we cut everything and everything is ready. Keep the pan in flame. So we have thoroughly washed the broken wheat and drained. So we have to roast this one. So we will get the aroma. Till that time you have to fry approximately 5 minutes. So it's finished. We have fried. At this stage you have to switch off the flame. Keep the pressure cooker. Then little oil. We are not using ghee, we are not using butter, we are using oil. So mustard. Cumin seed. Chana Dal. Curry leaves. Green chilli. Ginger. Curry leaves. Onion. We're going to add the beans and carrot. Add the required salt. See, for 1 cup of broken wheat you have to add 2.5 cups of water. So we have taken 1.5 cups of broken wheat. So this is 3/4 of water we have added. If it is quarter cup here and there, no problem. You can add 4 cups also. We're going to squeeze the lemon. So we're going to add the broken wheat. So it's dry roasted. It's rich in fiber. It's very good those who are having diabetes. It's easily digestible, and those who are having constipation problem, it's good for them also. So it started boiling now. We're going to close with lid. You have to leave this one for 2 whistles. Waiting for the second whistle. We're going to switch off the flame. That's it. So So the pressure subsides now. We're going to open the pressure cooker. So and check how it is cooked. Wow, nice aroma of broken wheat cooked as I can smell. That's it, it's finished. Broken wheat upma from Veggie Recipes Blogspot, just for you. Enjoy. If you like my video, please give me thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.